Hi YouTube, Garage Boys here. Okay guys, if you search this video and you're having the issue described in the title, I first want to tell you, you're welcome, you're in the right place, and I'm going to show you how to fix your problem. So go ahead and subscribe, because I'm the only one that's going to show you how to solve your issue. And yes, you're welcome. So this is the problem. When you connect the battery on your Volkswagen Passat or Jetta, this is the problem. The issue was this car was left without a battery for a while, and when you connect the battery, it just starts, the horn goes off, but it's not the regular horn, it's the horn coming from the back. Now I guess there's a horn in the back. That's every time you connect the battery. So you can start the car, but the horn won't go off. So we're gonna disconnect that. Your problem is actually very simple. Your issue was water got into the car. And if you come here, I already done most of the work. It's not a lot of light, but you're gonna have to take off your driver's side seat. You have to take out the chair, and underneath the carpet, as you guys can see, it's wet. But underneath the carpet, right here, when you take off this plastic here on the side, and you take off that plastic that goes there on the pedal, you can lift up your carpet. And when you lift up your carpet, right there in that spot right there, you'll find this box. This box will be sealed, and it goes right here to cover the system. So this is the computer, and this is it's called the comfort, I'll have the name of it on the description. The comfort module, I believe. And this is your problem. This system gets wet, and it won't let you do that. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna disconnect it, and I'm gonna show you how I can turn on the car and won't have any issues at all. You're gonna have to replace this eventually. I'm not sure what it does exactly. I think just by the name, it takes care of your little lights and little comfort things. But I'm gonna disconnect it just by unplugging this little clips right here. I'm gonna show you how it solves the issue. So give me 1 second. Okay guys, sorry because of the light, but as you can see, I disconnected the box right there. Those are the two plugs. Since it was wet, which is your same problem, use a flathead and that'll do the job. So now it's disconnected, and let me show you what happens when you connect the battery as it is disconnected. So we're connecting the battery, it's connected, and as you can see, no horn, no lights, no craziness. The car's fine. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna tie the battery, tighten up the battery. I'm gonna show you guys how I can turn on the car and not have issues at all. So just give me 1 second. Let me do my little magic trick. Okay guys, magic trick done. Battery's tied, battery's a bit low, but I have the jumper box there. Can you please go ahead and start it? All right, there we go, car's on. Lights are fine, no horn. This car's been sitting for a while, so that was the whole problem. I guess somehow the water got into it. But this will solve your issue. Just replace the module. I'm gonna have all the information on the description. Please subscribe to our channel. You can just click this little circle down here at the bottom. It helps us, encourage us to make more videos. I'm sure this helped you, because I looked online and nobody had this solution. It was hard to find, even to know what the issue is. So if this helped you, share it, because other people need to know this issue. Thank you very much for watching, and check out our other videos. All right, take care guys.